Hi guys, I'm Shashank.
And I'm Shiv.
We are
The
the
Roaming
Roaming
Pandas.
Pandas. Right, so you guys must have seen all our previous Goa vlogs, which was basically a New Year trip that we planned, and we were four friends. We had planned our Goa vacation for a few days, around 6-7 days. But what really panned out after that is something that we are going to discuss right now. So Shiv, why don't you tell them something about the trip?
So, yes, right. So, it was around, say, what, 4 or 5 months we were on a trip, right? So, we started a vacation from Goa, and the major reason we wanted to Goa was because of the pandemic. We were locked at home for a very long time, and we really wanted to go out somewhere. And Goa just happened because it was a very long plan which was never getting executed, and the pandemic situation was getting worse. And in between, when things got better a little, we thought, why not plan a trip? And we started with Goa. But I think that was the time when our work from home was going on, right? Yeah. So we thought that if
We work from vacation.
why don't we work from vacation? And from Goa, we thought of going to the next destination.
And actually, we were four friends. We should tell that we were four friends in Goa. But then they had some personal issues on personal front, and they had to leave directly from Goa to their native places. And both Shiv and I decided that we want to continue the trip,
Right.
Irrespective of that, and all our support to them and on their personal front. But we definitely continued the trip, and we were planning which place next to hit. There were a lot of options, if I remember, that we had Kerala in mind, we had Sri Lanka in
We
mind.
also had Shimla,
Manali in mind.
which we actually went, but much later.
Much later, yeah. So
Yeah.
It became like a long tour and I think we covered beach, desert, mountain, everything
Exactly.
possible. But it just right after Goa, we thought we'll go to Rajasthan. And
Why did we select Rajasthan? You remember why?
yeah, actually, I think you put it in my head a lot that Rajasthan is one of those places that I have been missing
I have
on.
been to Rajasthan and only Jaipur.
Right.
And so there are a couple of places I really loved, like the Rambagh Palace, the forts out there, and I am actually very attracted to such historical places like the Nahargarh Fort and all. And look at his expression. Didn't you like those places?
I did, but not very attracted to them. But yeah, it was
I
good.
know.
It was
So
good.
I wanted to visit those places again, and that's why I convinced him to go. But he had a different reason to visit Rajasthan.
So my entire idea was going to Umaid Bhavan. I have studied in Kota for 1 year after my class 12, and there was this one place which was shown in the movie called Jab We Met.
Big fan, which you are. How many times have you watched the movie?
I think a gazillion times. But definitely, I wanted to be at Umaid Bhavan right after, during that quota period. But that couldn't happen because I was preparing for IDJ and everything. And many years later, now I did have a chance to visit Jodhpur, and we were planning Rajasthan. I was like,
Exactly.
great, we will go to Jodhpur, and not only will we eat at Umaid Bhavan, we'll stay at Umaid Bhavan Palace.
Right, and that did happen.
That did happen.
So Rajasthan happened for another reason because that is one state that has so many places which
Yes.
is a tourist place. For example, Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer,
Yeah.
and all of them are worth visiting. Like I think one of the places we missed. What was that?
Nothing. We did
Did we cover
Pushkar.
everything?
We did Pushkar,
Yeah, right.
Ajmer. I think Bikaner is something that
Bikaner,
we couldn't.
right? We couldn't. But then,
yeah,
that was fine. Maybe next time when we go to Rajasthan, we can cover that. I remember that I wanted to take you to Bhangar Fort, which you didn't go.
Not interested. Guys, if you're a little phobic of ghosts and spirit, do not go to Bhangar Fort.
I would have loved to go, but then.
Yeah, ghostly, ghastly places. But nevertheless, so our trip started directly from Goa, and we flew down to Jaipur. That time, there were no RT-PCR tests required to visit Jaipur from
Good
Goa.
times were they.
Yeah, and we, without any hassle, we flew to Jaipur directly, and we checked into one of the most sought after places, most sought after
Right.
places in Jaipur called Sajjan Niwas. It's actually the Queen's Palace to the King's Palace, which is called Umaid Bhavan in Jaipur, not the Jodhpur one.
Right.
And these are like sister brother hotels, and it's a great location. It has a great service.
The locality is very good.
Yeah, it's called Bani Park.
Bani Park, right?
Yeah.
and that's quite a posh area in Jaipur.
And it's also very accessible to all these, these locations, because Jaipur is a smaller city. It's not like as vast as any other location like Mumbai or something.
Right. So it's very well connected.
Well connected, well
Plus
accessible. Residential.
Yeah, right.
And apart from anything, I think the ambience inside, the architecture of that hotel, everything attracted us a lot.
Exactly.
And it was very lucky that we got, I think, the entire terrace penthouse of Sajjan Niwas.
Right.
It was firstly lesser people were traveling that time, and the good part was that they were very, very courteous enough to give us at a very reasonable price
Right,
that time.
right.
Later we shifted to Rambagh and which other hotel did we live in at Jaipur? We changed hotels in between.
We even stayed in Trident for some time.
Trident we stayed for one night only though, but Rambagh we stayed for a while.
Because that was one of my favorite, and also Samod Haveli was one of another favorite hotel where we stayed, and that was really nice.
Really.
Rambagh, without saying, because it's a Taj property, it's a luxury property, so it goes without saying. That you will get to see in our further vlogs. We'll have, I think, loads of videos of Rambagh. Yeah.
Yes. So Rambagh has a very special mention in all our Jaipur vlogs.
Right.
It was one of the most magical places that we visited in Jaipur.
I remember you running after the peacocks in Rambagh Garden.
We'll see in the videos who was running after the peacocks. Don't worry.
And
quite evident.
Our favorite was that train restaurant. Remember?
The Steam.
The Steam. Yes.
So there's a restaurant which looks like a train parked on a train station, and it's just amazing. It's inside Rambagh Palace. You'll see all of that in our coming series and Jaipur series and the Rajasthan series and overall. We stayed for I think 12-13 days because I'll tell you the major reason we were putting up in these places for longer than needed. Not because you have so much to see. Obviously, there is a lot to see which you can cover in around 6-7 days. But we couldn't shift places between the week.
Yeah, that was there, and also the reason we wanted to work from those places.
That's what I'm saying.
It was like a work for vacation.
So we were working on weekdays, and for like around 4:35 we were wrapping up, and then there was a night curfew in Jaipur that time at around 8:39.
Right.
So we had those on weekdays. We had those minimum 3-4 hours to travel and see around the city. Right. And on the weekends, we kind of created a rampage.
And also, we visited Rajasthan at the right time because we went in Jan, and Rajasthan gets very hot, I think, during the summer. So, winter Rajasthan is a perfect place to visit.
It was. The weather was great.
Right.
It was not very chilly. It was not very hot at all, obviously. And it was great.
Exactly.
The food will have a special mention in all our vlogs because.
What's your favorite? I think Rambagh's.
Lal Mas.
I
think Lal Mas for sure is my favorite. But
also Dal Bati Churma. I tried Dal Bati Churma for the first time and I was quite amazed. I think City Palace. Remember the City Palace?
Was it Jaipur? Is it Jaipur, right?
Yeah.
City Palace Jaipur then, yes.
Yeah.
We had Lal Bati.
So there I had Lal Bati for the first time, and we had a very customized Lal Bati with Lal Mas in Udaipur. Right?
No, in Jodhpur.
In Jodhpur, right.
In Jodhpur we had Lal Mas Bati, not Dal Bati, and it was.
Right.
I think that just brainwashed us into believing that nothing can be tastier than
I always thought that it's a veg preparation and I never tried it. But then when they made a non-veg out of this famous dish, I mean, we totally loved it.
Totally. And I think all of this kept apart what I absolutely loved. Two things I absolutely loved because I have a sweet jaw. I cannot deny that nothing is as tasty as something that tastes sweet. And I had the world's best ghevar in Jaipur. I tried ghevars in other parts of Rajasthan as well while I was traveling, and I just could not find similar ghevar.
Very true.
And another thing is that Kesar Doodh mentioned that will again come. There's something which is very famous on the streets of Jaipur. Actually, it's not like a premium location thing. It's like
there are at various places, but then it's very
street
famous
vendors.
and it's very tasty.
And those are famous actually. Those are very famous.
Like people
sweet
come,
shops.
they haul their cars and have it from those shops. So very interesting and amazing.
So let's do one thing. We are going to create the entire Rajasthan series now, and here onwards you will be getting more and more videos of Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Jaisalmer, all of that in sequence, and we will be posting that videos episode by episode, mostly day wise, or if not day wise, maybe 2 days in one. And then I hope you guys like it, and we hope you have as much fun as we had by watching it. Okay, I think that's a wrap.
So let's shoot out the videos very soon.
Yes, we will. See you. Keep liking our videos. Please subscribe to our channel because we are gonna travel the world. Roaming Pandas is gonna go global soon, and just I want you to travel with us.
Yes.
See you. Bye bye.
सोना भैया फोटो मिलेगा, फोटो वापसी मिल जाए तो ये
It is really nice.
Totally love it.
Waiting for
And
the menu.
They also practice proper.
Just then.
It's just getting better with every step.
Totally.
Bhavan Palace, Jodhpur.
Then also we might check out some of the cafes in Jodhpur for dinner today. So
Taj Lake.
You are meant for a different planet.
first attempt. So I'm assuming that it's the best that anyone can do it.
Who's outside the Ghatotkaч temple, and she has a pet
In
rabbit.
the background. So you can click great pictures here. And let's see what else. We'll just check out the place. Stay tuned for my next video. And in the meantime, do like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.